In front of me is HUAWEI Mate Xs 2, and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. Changing theme on HUAWEI devices is pretty much the same. I already tested it on this one, so you can be sure it will work. First of all, you need to find Themes app that's already on your device and click on it. Mine is over here. Then you can buy any theme by clicking on it and tapping on Purchase. Find it by clicking on Featured or Categories at the bottom and selecting Themes sections. But you can also pick one of 3 themes, and instead of tapping on Purchase, hit Free Download and wait. Now you can hit Customize on the left and decide if you, for example, don't want to change your icons. When you finished, hit Apply button. I want to apply whole theme though, so I will choose Apply next to Customize right away. Then choose Discard or Keep in this pop-up and wait. As you can see, theme of my device has changed. If you want to go back to your default theme, access the same app. And this time, select Me category at the bottom right corner. Then tap one of your preset themes and choose Apply. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!